There are 3 businesses in Australia right now where a robot does all the work and you hold the controller. Each one can clear over 150 grand a year. I'm not talking theory. I'm going to show you exactly what each machine costs to buy and exactly what you can bill once it starts earning. Now here's what every tradie thinks. If you want to build a real business, you got to hire more blokes, more vans, more headaches, and more wages out the door every Thursday. Nah. The fastest way to make money for a tradie right now isn't to hire a human. It's buying a machine that does a job a person physically can't, or shouldn't, and then charging like a surgeon for it. Because here's one thing that nobody clocks. Your customer isn't paying you to mow, or wash, or scan. They're paying you to delete the scary part. The scaffold, the rope, the bloke hanging 50 meters off a wall, the week-long survey crew. You own the machine that makes that disappear. You don't compete on price. You set it. I've spent days deep in the actual equipment manuals, the vendor pricings, the CASA rules, and the real Aussie market rates to put this video all together. Receipts, not guesses. So I'm going to rank all 3. We'll start with the one that gets cash in your account the quickest, and we'll finish on the one with the biggest upside, but the easiest to blow up yourself. So let's go. Number 1, remote control bush mowing. Picture a little tank, tracks, and a big mulching deck on the front, and you standing 20 meters away with the controller. That's a remote control slope mower. And the reason this thing prints money is simple. It goes where humans can't. A machine like the Stellar URS 100 will mow a 45-degree slope and climb up a 50-degree hill. Think about that. That's ground where if you sent a bloke up in a standard bush mower, you would be filling out an incident report by lunch. Councils, solar farm, roadside embankments, steep acreage, they've all got this exact same problem. And most of them are paying through the nose or just letting it go to seed. So let's talk what it costs to get in. A brand new machine will run you between 50 and 80 grand. A Green Climber F300 Pro starts about 65,000 excluding GST. An electric Raymo from about 50 grand. Spider units range from about 21,000 all the way up to 70 grand. And if you're smart, you can pick up a used unit like the AS940 Sherpa for around $25,000 US. So your buy-in is about $50,000 to $80,000 or mid-20s if you go used. Now, here's the money. You don't sell it as mowing. Mowing rates are a joke. You sell it as safe access slope vegetation management. The research models about $1,600 billable per day. If you're doing about 8 days per month, all the way up to 12, run the numbers. That's your $150,000 per year right there. On the simplest, least regulated machine of the 3. No pilot license, no aviation paperwork, just a plant and a trailer. And that's why this is number 1 for speed. It's the easiest to start, easiest to scale, and the compliance is basically be competent and have a safety method. Boring, but boring is exactly why the cash lands fast. Now, that machine pays you quick, but it's still you in a paddock trading your time for dollars. The next business, you barely even break a sweat. And the gear can sit in a survey grade league. That's almost impossible for the next bloke to copy. This is the one I would actually build to get rich. Number 2, drone LiDAR and 3D scanning. This one doesn't sell sweat, it sells decisions. You fly a drone with laser scanner LiDAR over a building, a site, a roof, and it spits out a perfect 3D model, a digital twin. And businesses pay some serious coin for that because that model tells them what's built, what's wrong, and what to do next. Here's why I rate this the strongest long-term play. The other 2 jobs, you turn up, you do your thing, and you leave. But this one turns into retainers. Construction progress tracking every single month. Roof and facade inspections. As-built documentation. Defect capture. You're not a bloke with a machine anymore. You're the data guy they can't run the project without. Now let's talk what it costs to get in. That's the beauty of it. You can start lean with a photogrammetry drone like the Mavic 3E or the Matras 4E for just a few grand. Then you can climb up to some serious rigs like an M350 RTK with a Zamuse L2 LiDAR, which will run you up about $50,000 to $60,000. But here's the kicker. You don't even have to buy the gear to start. You can rent a Mavic 3E for about $495 for 24 hours and a Zamuse L2 for about $500 for 24 hours. So you rent the gear, win the job, then buy the stack once it's paying. Almost no risk to test it. And the numbers stack up beautiful. A small site you can charge from $500 all the way up to $1,500. A medium site from about $15,000 to $5,000. And large sites from $5,000 up. Slap LiDAR on and you can add about 30 to 50%. A roof inspection alone is about $300 to $1,500 for a few hours work. Only 5 jobs a month at $2,500 and you've already reached your 150,000 at a 55 to 75% margin. Because once you've nailed your reports, the work's mostly just repeat. So why not the second first? Because it's hard to master. Flying's the easy bit, but the data processing and earning the trust from the clients, that takes time. But that difficulty is the moat. Once you're good, nobody undercuts you because they can't do what you do. That's a business with a wall around it. So that's smart money, it's safe money, which leaves the one that everyone's been messaging me about, which is the flying robot that blasts skyscrapers clean. The biggest wow factor and arguably the biggest dollars per job. And the single easiest way to physically blow yourself up. Save this part. Business number 3, drone pressure washing. A heavy lift drone fed from a ground pump, flying up to the side of a building and blasting it clean. Glass towers, warehouse roof, large signings and facades. It looks like the future. And the upside per job is the biggest of the 3. But the economics are generally mad. From Lucid Bot's their own figures, anything over 3 stories becomes 40 to 60% cheaper than the old way. Because you delete the scaffold, you delete the lift hire, and you shrink a 4-man crew down to 1 operator with a controller. And that's the pitch that makes a strata manager's eyes light up. 4 medium jobs per month at $5.5 grand and you've reached your $150,000 at a 50 to 70% profit margin. But now let's talk what it actually costs to get in. Because this is where it stings. The drone itself isn't the whole story. A Lucid Bot's Sherpa package is around $70,000 US. And a Pilix rig kitted out is about $47,000 to $71,000 US. But that's just the craft. Once you add the pumps, the hose reels, the batteries, the insurances and compliance, your realistic all-up cost in Australia is about $70,000 to $130,000. It's not just a drone purchase, it's a system purchase. And that's all before you clean a single window. Then there's the paperwork. And this is why it's dead last for speed. It's a full commercial drone business under the CASA. You'll need a re-OC for the business and a re-PL to fly. Then on top you have the aviation rules. You've got the high pressure water jetting safety laws, training, exclusion zones, overspray, SOPs. So why is this the hardest of the 3 to pull off? Because the upside's real, but it punishes you for skipping steps. The other 2 forgive a slow learner. This one doesn't. It's the one to back yourself on once you've got the cash flow behind you. A mindset locked in and proof you can sell. Get there and it's an absolute weapon. So there's your 3. Bush mowing is the fastest cash, simplest rules, about 50 to 80 grand to get in, and the machine that goes where a human can't. Drone scanning, smartest for the long game, as little as $500 to test it, and a moat nobody can cross once you get good. And drone cleaning, the biggest wow and the biggest upsides, but between $70,000 and $130,000 to get in. And that one will bite you if you rush it. And notice what every one of these really is. You're not selling labor. You're selling the disappearance of the dangerous, slow, risky jobs your clients dread. The bloke on a steep slope. The crew with the scaffold. The survey team that's there for a week. That's why a machine and 1 bloke can clear $150,000 per year. When 10 years ago, the same job needed a crew and a whole week. Now, picking the machine is the easy part. The bit that actually kills most trade businesses isn't the work. It's having the guts to buy the thing before the next bloke does. Every one of these markets is wide open right now. In 5 years, it won't be. The blokes who've moved first on the council, the strata managers, the solar farms, everyone after them are just fighting for scraps. So pick the one that fits your business that you actually want to run. Go get that machine and start earning. That's the whole game. If this opened your eyes, do me a favor and hit subscribe. I go deep on this blue collar meets tech every single week. No fluff, just what works. I'll see you in the next one.